Can you feel it? Can you? Can you feel it? Oh yeah, you feel it. Knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. Today we're taking a look at this lizard skin, 1997, the OG, the original lizard skin. I didn't show this yesterday, so I thought I'd show it today and carry it. This is the Case 6254 full size trapper in lizard skin. It is a 3-dot, 3 dots. Whew, that's a sexy knife. Look at the pow side on the knife. Stainless steel, like God created. That's enough of that. That is enough of that. Straight down Broadway. How y'all doing today? Well, I'm doing just fine. Thought I'd do a quick pocket dump for y'all and get out of here. Done showed you is the lizard skin. Done got my USA made Evans tape measure here, or Lufkin. I don't know really what it is. It's one of the two. I see these two a lot. When I got it, the stickers was done off of it. And I got the GEC 68 in Stag, the White Owl. Got all the Teiners. This is a equal end knife because it's got a blade on each end, clip point, and a pin blade. 1095 carbon steel. Got the snap for days. Listen to that. That'll take your fingers off, ladies and gentlemen. Can you feel it? And I got the Wall Street. Look at that knife. That's a man's knife right there. That is a man's knife. Got American chestnut wood handles. It's a lockback design. Wharncliffe blade. 440 stainless steel. This knife will not patina. It is a 2018. And it's a 99 pattern. They call it the Wall Street. And it's got a acorn for the shield. I think that's pretty cool. Y'all know I've been collecting the GECs with the different kind of shields. I got the alligator. I got the ram. I got this one. I think I got one more. I'd have to look. I'm trying to get them all. I know I'm lacking the cow and one other one. I think it's the wrench. I think I need the wrench and the cow. I think they might be more. I'm slowly getting them. Got the old vape. Got the old phone. Oh, and I got the old Hyundai Santa Fe 2025 key fob, house keys, and my Nike lanyard. Huh? Let that stick out your pocket and you just pull your keys out. Come on. Alright, this is a short one. Y'all, thanks for watching. Oh yeah. And I got the old Benchmade. Big E blue, Kentucky blue, whatever you want to call it. It's blue, and that's all that matters. Y'all, stay classy. You hear?